आने के लिए सर, उनके लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए प्लीज। यहाँ पे उपस्थित हमारे योगाचार्य के साथ उनके टीम मेंबर्स भी हैं जो भी योगा टीचर्स हैं, और मैं हमारे जो एओ साहब है श्री कैलाश नाथ मिश्रा, उनको मैं अनुरोध करूंगा योगाचार्य जी को फेलिसिटेट करने के लिए हमारे गार्डन से, उत्तरीय से उनको फेलिसिटेट किया जाए। थैंक यू सर। और हमारे योगाचार्य जी की तरफ से एक बुकलेट दिया जाएगा। थैंक यू योगाचार्य जी, अभी सेशन मंच आपका है, तो यू कैन प्रोसीड विद दैट। थैंक यू।
आराम से सब कुछ बैठ जाए। We can arrange for a few chairs at the back side. People who have difficulty in sitting on the ground, you can take chairs. If you have arrangement for chairs, it will be very good at the back side. जिन लोगों को बैठने में दिक्कत होता है वो लोग चेयर या स्टूल कुछ है तो उसमें बैठ सकते हैं। सब कोई थोड़ा आराम से बैठ जाए, आंखें बंद कर ले। Close your eyes. Keep your back straight for some time. Relax your body completely. पूरा शरीर को एकदम ढीला छोड़ दे। आराम से बैठे, गहरी लंबी सांस ले, धीरे से प्रश्वास छोड़ते हुए शरीर को एकदम ढीला कर दे, मेरुदंड को सीधा रखें और एक बार गहरी लंबी सांस ले। And as you exhale slowly, relax your whole body, straighten your back. गहरी लंबी सांस, सांस छोड़ते हुए पूरा शरीर को ढीला छोड़ते। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। My namaskar to all of you. So this is the third year that we have all assembled over here to participate in this International Yoga Day. So I'm here for the 10th International Yoga Day, and the theme for this Yoga Day is Self and Society. So most of you are acquainted with our practices, and I also know many of you. So the practices will be very easy. All through the practices what we will have to do is to enjoy ourselves. It is no competition, we don't have to perform anything. We have to just be with ourselves. That is what is yoga. Just becoming one with ourselves. All through the day, सारा दिन हम लोग जो भी करते हैं, all through the day, whatever we are doing, so our mind is moving outward. मन बहिर्मुखी हो जाता है. And at the end of the day, what we experience is stress, depression and anxiety. But when we are doing yoga, we will just observe our own self, bring the mind and the body to an alignment, and after 1 hour, we will experience how blissful and calm our mind has become. So in this 1 hour session, I will be assisted by Shyam Sundar Das on the demonstration. He has done his MSc on yoga, and has been teaching yoga for many years now. Maitri Datta, she is also Miss in Yoga and a dance teacher as well as a yoga teacher. She will be assisting you on the ground. And Ajoy, he will also assist you on the ground. He has been teaching yoga for 10 years and he is also a certified yoga teacher. So yoga, as many of you know, that is an ancient Indian practice which originates in the Vedic knowledge system. So in ancient India, we had this awareness about preventive health care. So are you all aware of preventive health care? What is preventive health care? किसी को पता है preventive health care क्या होता है? देखिए आप लोगों में से बहुत कोई या सब कोई हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस तो करते होंगे. हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस करते हैं ना हम लोग सब. वो कब करते हैं हम लोग? शरीर रोगग्रस्त होने के बाद या पहले? When you become sick or before that? पहले. Because that is an investment which is ensuring that if I become sick sometime, then this will come to my help. It's a very judicious thing. But more wise would be an investment which will ensure that you will not become sick. That is called preventive health care. And in ancient India, we have found so many big, huge buildings, so many day before yesterday or yesterday the Nalanda was re-established. So we had such big universities. But one thing we can't find, big hospitals. In none of the ancient civilizations, you will find big hospitals. Why? They knew to build so many big things, pyramids, big temples, big palaces, big universities. But couldn't they build hospitals? Not that. The need was not felt. We had great doctors in those times, medical scientists like Shushruta, but who knew surgery and everything. We had a developed science of medical system called Ayurveda. But we had put so much of emphasis on preventive health care that the need of big hospitals was not there. Recently, during the corona pandemic, we have all seen that if many people become sick at one given point of time, then whatever be the infrastructure of the medical facilities in even the most developed countries, it is not possible to cater to everyone. Herein comes the role of preventive healthcare, and yoga is playing a great part in this. All over the world, you will see that people are nowadays interested in yoga. We have students coming to our studio from different parts of the world. Why? Because there has been a lot of research on yoga. And it has been found that yoga is extremely efficacious in treating stress, anxiety, depression, as well as lifestyle diseases like arthritis, blood pressure, diabetes, insomnia. All this can be very well taken care of with yoga. We can prevent these diseases from coming. So today in the session is a mixed up of certain physical practices which are called asanas. Then we will do some pranayamas. Pranayamas are very beneficial for our nervous system. So all the stress and anxiety that we experience all through the day can be reduced if we are doing pranayama at least 15 minutes in the morning and 15 minutes in the evening. When we are doing at least 15 minutes or 30 minutes of asanas every day, we are ensuring that our body is fit and flexible and we can avoid disease. So this will take us 1 hour time. And I would expect all of you to cooperate for this 1 hour time. And at the end of the session, we will take questions if you have any. Okay?